Hi everyone, welcome you all with my question set 20 for the database management system 1. So here these are the sub questions. We have to answer these 5 questions in this video, and this question is also based on this scenario that we have discussed in my 16th video, that means the video 16, 17, 18, 19, and this video also based on this scenario. So I request you all to watch my previous videos also if you haven't watched them. So okay, let's move on to the 20th question. First question, find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject. So let's write the query for that. So this is the query. So then let's execute it. You can see the exam written students. The count of the exam written students has been came here as 8. So let's see whether it's correct or wrong. Here in the subject table, the ID for the science is 2, and then here in exam term table, ID for the first term is 1. So then here in student exam record, we have to select the subject ID 2, then exam term ID 1. Then let's see here. Here these are the records. That means 2, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, this one, this one. So count is 8. That means it's the correct one. Then the next question, what is the minimum score obtained by the first term students? So let's try the query for that. Okay, this is the query. Select min. This marks of the minimum marks as lowest. Select the minimum marks as lowest marks from a student exam mark record table. This which fulfills this condition also. So I am executing this. So this says that the lowest marks is from the first term 10.5. So let's see that here. Okay, this is the lowest mark, 10.5. Then the next question, find the number of students who participated in the second term mathematics subject. So then I am writing the query for that again. So then this is the query. So then let's execute it. The term name, second term, and then subject name, mathematics. We have to count the number of students. So it says that number of students is 8. So then it says that all the students in the student table has been here. In the student table it says that only 80 students about. It says about only 80 students now. So here it says that all the students have sit to this second term mathematics subject. Which subject got the lowest marks in the first term? So let's write the query. Lowest mark for the first term. This is the query. So then I have executed this. Here the subject name is science came. So then the subject got the lowest marks in the first term is the science subject. So the next question, find the name of the student who got the lowest mark in all subjects in the first term. So let's execute the query here. For the last question, here this is the bracket closed for mean, and then this one, then this one, and this one. Okay. So this is the query for the last question. That means find the name of the student who got the lowest mark in all the subjects in the first term. So I'm executing this. So it says that Cousin Rajamantri is the student who got the lowest mark in the first term for all the subjects. So okay, this is how I answered for the question set 20. Thank you for watching this video, and let's meet to the next video soon.